In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Perplexity AI. Whether you're finishing up on a shared computer, switching accounts, or just want a clean break before your next session, logging out is quick and helps keep your activity private. I'll walk you through the exact path and share a few tips so you know you've done it correctly. First, open your Perplexity account. That simply means launch the Perplexity website in your browser or open the Perplexity app and make sure you're currently signed in. A good way to confirm is to look for your profile picture or your initials near the top corner of the screen. If you don't see any sign of your profile and you're being asked to sign in, you're already logged out and you're all set. Next, click Account and Settings. On desktop, this is typically located under your profile icon in the upper corner. Click that icon to open a small menu and you should see an option labeled Account and Settings. On mobile, you'll usually find the same option by tapping your profile icon or the menu button. The wording may be slightly different depending on the version you're using, but the idea is the same. You're heading into your account controls. Inside that area, click Account. This takes you to the section with your core account options. If there are multiple tabs, look for the one clearly labeled Account. It's the place where your general profile and access controls live. Now, click Sign Out and confirm it. The Sign Out, or sometimes Log Out, button is typically near the bottom of the account section. When you click it, you may see a confirmation prompt to make sure you intended to log out. Go ahead and confirm. After a moment, you should return to the main Perplexity page without your profile visible, or you'll see a prompt inviting you to sign in again. That's your confirmation that the logout worked. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see Account and Settings right away, try clicking your profile icon again or updating the app to the latest version. If you had multiple Perplexity tabs open, signing out in one usually signs you out of the rest. And if you're on a shared device, consider closing the browser or the app after signing out for extra peace of mind. That's it. Open your Perplexity account, go to Account and Settings, click Account, then select Sign Out and confirm. You're now safely logged out and ready to step away or sign back in whenever you need.